Hi guys, Armand here. Let me give you a POV tour of this elegantly designed 4-bedroom house in Sonoma, Santa Rosa, Laguna, which has a lot area of 153 square meters and a floor area of 200 square meters. It has 4 bedrooms, it has 3 toilet and bath, and 1 carport. So pagpasok po natin guys, pagpasok natin on our left side will be your garden area. It's very nicely done. Ang ganda talaga ng bahay na to. So if you like to see this in the actual, you can contact us in the contact information posted on the description box or in the comment section. This is actually might go away fast. No, by the way, yung gate natin, this is actually sliding. So ready po siya na kabitan po ng motor so that it can be a smart gate. You can actually inquire this from your smart gate providers. Pwede po. So this is actually your 1 carport which can fit your SUV, your pickup, or your big size mga vehicles. Kasyang-kasya po siya. And as you can see sa taas pa lang, ang ganda ng mga finishes. That's WPC ng mga ceiling. And then dito po will be your patio na may cover na rin siya. You have your lighting there. And that there will be your access to your service area. It's a very nice house. Let me just tour you very quickly. So, para lang makita nyo siya. So, this is actually your double height ceiling na living area. You have your beautiful chandeliers there. Very, very nice. And then right across would be your dining area which can fit your 6-seater dining table. Kung medyo maliliit yung mga dining set natin, kasya siguro yung 8-seater natin. You have your chandelier here. You have your beautiful kitchen. It's a U-shaped kitchen complete with your oven. You have your microwave. You have your smart sink. Very nice. Modular cabinets. You have your range hood and your cooktop. Very nicely done. And you also have here your service area. Very nicely done. Ang ganda po niya. Now, I'll just give you a very short tour kasi we'll be posting a YouTube video or a full house tour in our YouTube channel. So, tara, akyat tayo sa 2nd floor. So, let's go directly to the master's bedroom. But before that, let me just show you how beautiful yung nilakaran ko. You have your wooden steps. Yung flooring natin dito sa 2nd floor is wood planks, very nicely done, and may cushion po siya sa ilalim. So, this is your master's bedroom. Kasya po ang ating king size or queen size bed. You have your fluted panels, WPC ceiling, and you also have your inverter type na split type air conditioning. You have your walk-in closet here, and then you have a beautiful toilet and bath with your bathtub. Yeah, hello. You have your sink, you have your smart toilet, and you have your smart mirror. You have your shower enclosure there. And one thing that I like about this property so much is it's fronting the park. So if you like to have that peace and quiet for the rest of your life, wala po magtatayong bahay sa tapat nyo, perfect na perfect po to sa inyo. So, this is Armand Cruz. And if you would like to see this property in the actual, contact us in the contact information posted on the screen, posted on the description box, or on the comment section.